Have you ever seen someone rise without being a talented person? That's not luck. That's a secret of power. And this is what we learn in 24th law of the 48 laws of power book, that is play the perfect courtier. This law says that you should learn how to deal with your bosses, leaders and powerful people, because the perfect courtier is the one who controls ego, who respects other and who knows when to speak and when to stay silent. This law is not about being a fake person. This law is about being a social intelligent person. So the law is very simple. If you don't know how to deal with your bosses and leaders, you will always be invisible. So this was the simple explanation of 24th law of the 48 laws of power book. And if you want to know more about this book, so drop your comment in the comment section. I will be sharing free PDF with you.